Hi, my name is Tim Erickson. I am St. Paul Tim on the internet, and I am here with Simplo by Triplo to do my first Simplo video in quite a while. This one is about the contributed module called Popular Tags. Popular Tags is a module that serves a purpose, which I ran across recently in a little personal project, something I was working on. So the Popular Tags module, like most other contrib modules, can be found on backdropcms.org. Got interested in the Popular Tags module for a Simplo site that I spun up recently I spun it up actually almost a year ago. I have been taking drone photography over the last year and sharing some of my images online. I share them on social media, then I post them to the site, and recently I started to tag them. And so we can do lakes or wildlife and sort of see the various images that I've taken. Mostly this is just a personal project to make myself happy as a hobby. But for the tagging process, I was a little bit unsatisfied with the process. Currently, if you go to add an image, we'll just put test here. I'm not going to go to the trouble in image. There's a tags field, and the tag is autocomplete. I'm using the autocomplete widget. This is a term reference field. If I type Minnesota, it'll autocomplete. If you type slowly, it will suggest tags for you, but you have to then kind of scroll down, tag them. I want to do multiple tags, so I have to go back, hit a comma, type some more. It's not always clear which tags are available to me to start with. I could configure this field so that it showed me a checklist of all the tags. I didn't really like that, but I like what Popular Tags does, and I'll show you that now. We're going to go ahead. This is a Simplo site, and I've included Popular Tags with the modules that come when you spin up a Simplo site, so it's available for you. All you have to do is hit List Modules. If you are not using Simplo, you just have to download it using the project browser. But I go ahead and enable Popular Tags. I notice that once it's enabled, there is no configuration option here. I'm going to back off here. Modules that have their own configuration pages, there's a link here in the right-hand column. We didn't have one of those for this Popular Tags module because the configuration is in the fields that you're using it for. So instead we're going to hit Structure, Content Types. We're going to go to my image, the content type that I have all set up. I'm going to hit Manage Fields. There's my Tags field. Again, as I mentioned, it's a term reference field with an autocomplete widget. I'm going to hit Config. Now, because I played with this module before, this checkbox is already checked. This was not the first time I came. So you need to check on that box, and then you can set the number of tags, the default number of tags that you want to show up by default. And then if you want to see all the other available links, you can click on this. I'm going to leave that available as well. We're going to go ahead and hit Save Settings, and now we're going to go to add an image again. And the big difference we're going to note, I'll go ahead and put an image up here, is the big difference we're going to note is when we get down to the, I'm going to pick a date. When we get down to the tags, it has the 10 most popular tags are just visible for me, and I can just click on them and they get entered right away. Those are 3 tags I want. I also want to tag, I know there's a boats tag. It's not showing up here. I could just start typing boats and it's going to autocomplete, but I can also just sort of scan through the list and see there's boats, and I just click on it. I've got an extra comma in there. Let me delete that. My image is up. I hit Save, and there we go. Here's my image, and here are the tags that I selected. I'm looking for some modules to help me display the tags more creatively. That might be one of my next videos. But for now, this is just an administrative module that really helps you manage your tags a little bit easier. So that's really all I have to show you today. I am going to remind you that I have, I think somewhere around 50 different Backdrop CMS videos, some of them on general topics, some of them on specific modules, and they're all available for you at my YouTube channel, which is at Team Triplo. So go ahead and look those up, give me some feedback, like and comment, and we'll see you in the next video.